This video is aimed at people looking to do a conversion for their bikes. Which bikes are good candidates, or as I call, donor bikes. I'm Johnny Nerdout, and I am a professional e-bike builder and mechanic, and hopefully you find this video helpful and think about subscribing. Why not? What else you gotta do? All right, so first of all, in my opinion, the best candidate for an e-bike conversion is a hardtail mountain bike. Why? Because this is like an all-around bike. You could use it as a commuter, you could use it as an adventure bike. As long as it has a rear rack mount, that you could put a rear rack on it, you can make that bike do anything. That would be my number one all-purpose bike that I would recommend to almost anybody. My personal favorite bike to convert is a cargo bike. Getting specifically fat tire cargo bikes, like the Surly Big Fat Dummy, the Salsa Black Baro, Benno Carry-On, but even like Kona Utes, Yuba Mundos, those are just awesome bikes. They turn a cargo bike, which, you know, most people think of as kid haulers, it turns it into an adventure bike, and that's like something that you could just throw your tent on, go camping for the weekend. Yeah, it's just an adventure bike. So cargo bike would be my number two. Number three, not so practical, but super fun, is a full suspension mountain bike. They can be very difficult though for mounting batteries because of the full suspension. That rear shock gets in the way a lot of times when you're trying to mount a battery. So sometimes you got to get really creative and or use smaller size capacity batteries, which, you know, you cut down on your range. But some people don't need it with that. But yeah, it's definitely worth the fun if you could find out how to mount the battery to it. So those are my three picks for e-bike conversions. And again, you want to look for good quality bikes with those. Don't cheap out and buy the crappiest ones with bad components. The used market's a great way to go. That's my personal preference. All right, so hopefully you found this video helpful, and think about subscribing. That'd be pretty cool of you. All right, later guys.